Here is one of my favorite shops in downtown Córdoba, Mandrágora Coffee and Tea. It's hands down the best place for tea, coffee, chocolate, and great gifts. The moment you walk in, the scent of quality hits you. Earl Grey, fresh roasted coffee blends, and the rich aroma of chocolate. Its name in English is mandrake. Remember those Harry Potter creatures whose cries could kill you? This plant has been used as a narcotic for years, and it can actually kill you. But back to the store and its owners, always welcoming and always generous with samples. For just €7, you can get 100 grams of their superior Earl Grey, and trust me, it's worth every penny. No affiliation here, I just love good tea. It's a must in my mornings. So whether you're a tea lover or just want a great gift, Mandrágora truly is the best in Córdoba and delivers every time with unbeatable service and flavor.